Hi, everybody. Hope your day is going well. We are back with another reaction, and new artists entered the channel, the Teskey brothers. They've been on my list for a while. Since I started to react to Australian artists, many people have asked to react to this. I finally got to it. One of the requests was Rain live at a color show. So let's see what this one is about. Let me tell you, before I start, for new people, sometimes I've been known to abuse the pause button during the song. They call me Sir Pause a lot.
If I could hold you, my fam, I know it's hard to be alone. A soul with no face is a lonely embrace, but I know it's hard.
Ugh, what a beautiful line. A soul with no face, a lonely embrace. And is it rain or are you crying again? Ugh. Ugh. It's almost like putting up a mask, right? That's how I view it through my own lens of experiences. When you go through dark periods, sometimes you just put on a mask. You can't be yourself sometimes. I don't know, man. Wow. I didn't know it was going to be like soulful like this. There's many soulful Australian artists that for some reason are not known here in Europe. I'm from Belgium, by the way. I heard some people told me that some artists like Jimmy Barnes went to the States and labels asked him to compromise and he would, and he told them to F off basically, and just, I respect that. Come on. Don't compromise on your art. Oh.
Lonely embrace, but I know it's hard. And I know it's hard to be alone. Yeah. Now there's clouds between us all, and the road ain't so clear, but we can still walk across. 'Cause I know it's hard to be alone. A soul with no face is a lonely embrace. I know it's hard, and I know it's hard to be alone, to be alone.
Wow, you could just tell there's so much emotion and power just behind that simple line. It's hard to be alone. Come on. We've all felt at least a little bit of that, but unfortunately there's so many people who feel this every day. Even if you are surrounded by many people, sometimes you can even feel more alone and isolated, just in a crowd, especially if you're introverted like me. Wow.
To be alone. Or am I crying again?
Well, at first he said, "Is that rain or are you crying again?" And now he said, "Am I crying again?" Oof. Wow, and that voice is just what he's. Man, English is not my first language. There's a term that we use here, like, is it raspy or, almost like when you lose your voice, like us non-singers or me, like that little bit of I don't know what the term is in English. Is it raspy? I don't know.
Crying again. A soul with no face is a lonely base. I know it's hard, and I know it's hard to be alone, to be alone. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, 'cause I know it's hard, and I know it's hard. But you ain't gonna be alone.
Wow. Oh, so a color show? That's like where multiple artists come to perform? Cool. Man, okay. Let's go. I'm going to explore more. Wow, didn't expect that. So soulful. And that line, man. A soul with no face is a lonely embrace. Whew. That is poetry right there. And I know it's hard to be alone. That's me. I know. Ugh. Wow. Thank you for suggesting this one. I know it took a while to get through it, but the list is long, people. Wow. But so I am grateful that you suggested this, and I'm grateful that I did it, because another, this channel has been amazing for me to discover new artists, new music, and just gain new insights, perspectives on my own life. So thanks for being here, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.